Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick video about Amazon affiliate account. If you have an Amazon affiliate account, you have a setup already, then you might know what I'm talking about, because if you have any your website, you have a YouTube channel, you can put any product link in your video, and if people gonna buy on that link, might you gonna get some kind of a commission. So if you have many viewers or stuff, something, you can send those links and you will make good money. But if you not, then you need to watch another videos where you can set up your affiliates link, and then you can come to this video, and here we will be creating link for the product, and I will show you how you can get that link and how you can share that. So now let's start. I have already account set up and everything. So in my case, I'm already logged in my account, and you will see here it says Amazon Associated Site Strip, this area, and I have a get link option here. So for this one, first we are going to look for the product, whatever the product we are going to create the link. I'm gonna look for solar outdoor lights. I'm not buying this one, I'm just gonna say like we choose this one. So from here you see get link and text. You click here, simply you will get the link. I have a short link. First go on the top, this is my store ID, my account ID, this is my tracking ID, the way they're gonna pay me, and that's the link. You can also get the full link. I always like to have a short link. You can also choose the image. You want to do the small, medium size and large size, image size. You want to have a text and image, everything. You want to do the custom, but simply you don't have to do nothing. Just go here on the text, just copy this link. That's your affiliates link for this product. If you share on somewhere, like say I have a YouTube channel, I always post those kind of links in description. If I'm making video about this light, I will post this link in the description, and anybody gonna click on that link, it will open to that product. Let's first look at this one. Is 300 watt solar street light, outdoor, 30,000 lumens, high brightness, dusk to dawn, whatever, right? We're gonna go to the new page, we're gonna paste here, and we're gonna enter. It will take to you this one. If somebody gonna buy from my link, I'm gonna get some kind of a commission, but I know I'm not getting too much, maybe a little bit. So if you have a lot of viewers and stuff, you can make a good money. So that was the video only about how to create your affiliate link or any product link on your desktop PC or your laptop. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next video with the new topic.